Hi, this is Machinery Consultants. We're going to video this 16-inch DOALL. It has 13 inches of throat depth and 13 inches under the guide. Serial number 79581963. Let's look at it up close and then we'll run it. And they're showing you that the blade welder does work. We've tested it. Beautiful table. This has had very limited use. Yeah, it does.
That's the lowest and high. That's the fastest.
That's it. Right on. Feel free to call us if you have any interest or any questions. 801-531-9500. Thanks.